What's up, everybody? It is your boy Skittlefabs, and I'm out here in, I don't know, South Shore of Massachusetts at my buddy Jarren's house. We're working on his 2005 Orange Blast, where it has pretty much been sitting on jack stands for the past like 3 years. No joke. Look at those cobwebs. Can you guys see those things?
No.
I guess before he stopped driving it, it had a freshened up cylinder head, so I don't know, we're gonna get to it and we're gonna tear it apart. So if you guys want to stay tuned, and at the end of the video, smash the like button, comment down below. And if you guys haven't followed me on any of my social medias, all the links are down in the description below. Stay tuned. Alright, so far I have the radiator out, I have the intake manifold out, and pretty much all the wire harness for the engine. And now I gotta worry about taking off the rest of the lines underneath the transmission and take off the dog bone, go remove the battery tray, and from there we'll get back into it. Alright guys, this is the PCM bracket and PCM connectors. There's 3 of them, and then if you have turbo toys, you most likely have a 4th one with pins sticking out, but this one doesn't. So pretty much I'm just gonna move those red tabs forward just like the second one is, and then I'm gonna go ahead and push this little button right there and pull the whole connector off the PCM, and the whole PCM and bracket will come out as one. There we go. There we go. There it is. This is where I'm at. Pretty much I have the radiator out, like I said. Took the power steering out. Took the top dog bone out. I have the hot side rubber hose out already. And now I'm gonna clean up, and we're gonna go to a veterans cookout barbecue type thing. So when we're done with that, we're gonna get back here and we're gonna finish it.
My palms are a little dry. Can I use the lotion?
Who's that?
I'm glad that you know I'm kidding. Yeah, here you go, bro.
Is that you? Is that you, Lexi? Alright guys, so we just got back from Kill 22 out in Taunton, where pretty much they are doing like a suicide awareness, like veterans barbecue ordeal going on and whatnot. We had a good time. You guys have a good time, right? So pretty much we have the battery tray taken out, which I had to remove because there was this one thing over here that I ended up having to just basically fold back and forth until it broke off. I have the engine harness over here. The only thing that is actually attached is the alternator harness connector. So I'm just gonna leave that harness over there until we get the engine hoist up. And over here we have a block underneath the oil pan. It's pretty much just holding and supporting because the lower dog bone is removed and the upper dog bone is removed. This bolt right here and the nut that's at the bottom of that bolt is not working that well with me, so I'm just more or less gonna leave that and try to push it to the side, zip tie it maybe. We have the axle still in and the transmission mount, pretty much that's it. And then we have this Sam Adams right here, but that's on another level, right? We had to cut the 4 O2 and downpipe bolts off, just more or less, so we didn't have to deal with rusty ass bolts. So I'm done with that. Yeah, where we're at is pretty much we're going to take out the axles, and we're gonna go ahead and hoist this motor out with the diesel engine hoist we have here, and we have lights from his quad right there. This thing's awesome, you guys. But anyways, we're on neon content today, right? Other than that, we got a stock turbo. He wants to go big turbo, and we're gonna probably upgrade the exhaust at the same time. So that's why we just go ahead and cut it out with the grinder. We took out that power steering. We had the compressor in there because a couple of the bolts didn't seem like they wanted to come out that nicely, so I just left them in there and I worked around it. We went ahead and put the dog bone back in for support because I had to readjust the brick of wood right there we have and put that at the end of the oil pan. We have the engine hoist, cherry picking the block up out of the engine bay, and we're just lowering it right now down to the ground on these right there. And yeah, we're just gonna hoist that Bad Larry out, and we're gonna go ahead and stroll her into his garage. But there she is, you guys, finally out. Hopefully this car does not fall. Hopefully it doesn't fall. If so, we're gonna witness it. I don't know his plans yet, but he said he's gonna do a full rebuild. Got it inside. Whew. God, that's a small turbo. That's a baby turbo. If you guys like this video, please smash the like button, comment down below, and if you haven't yet subscribed, definitely subscribe and smash that little bell button right next to subscribe. That way you guys can stay tuned into all my videos and every time I upload it right away, all that good stuff. Yeah, that's Neon SRT4 05 Blast. Be easy, guys. Peace.